What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online with YouTube without using your own videos. Yes, you don't have to upload your own videos and you can do this for free. You don't need to spend any money. And I'm going to show you one trend that you can jump on right now before it's too late and get the upper hand before anyone else jumps on this trend. So let's jump into my office, guys, and I'll show you exactly how you can make money online using YouTube without using your own videos, and you can do it all for free. So let's go right now and I'll show you exactly how you can do that right now. All right, guys, we are back and I'm going to show you how to make some money online, but more importantly, I show you how to jump on a trend that's happening right now. And a lot of people online that make money say the best way to make money, quite quickly is to jump on a trend. So what am I talking about in this video, guys? How can you make money? Well, what I'm talking about, guys, is going out there and using YouTube, and you can do it if you put in things like top 10 into YouTube. It brings up all of these videos like top 10 scary things, top 10 gaming stuff, and all that sort of stuff. And you can actually re-download these videos, guys, and you can upload them yourself and get ad revenue. However, I'm going to show you how to do it properly. So what you want to do, guys, is in the top, when you do top 10, go to filter, and there's a thing called Creative Commons. And you can actually download these videos without any repercussions. So you can download them, re-upload them, monetize them, and you can actually make money. Now, the thing is, guys, you want to do this with trending topics. And a trending topic right now is Apex Legends. Now, this is kind of the off time right now. Usually it's a lot more. But Fortnite, the other day, had 70,000 people viewing it on Twitch. And Apex Legends had over 600,000. And right now, Apex Legends has more than Fortnite. And the thing is, guys, it's easy to go and find these Apex Legends clips, re-download them, and you can actually use free software, guys, to make these videos, right? You don't have to pay any money, zero, nothing, not even a cent to start doing this. So I found this article here on Oberlo, and it's called the top 20 best free video editing software programs to use. So you can use these programs to go and create these videos and then re-upload them to YouTube to go and make money. And to download the videos, guys, it's really simple. Go into Google, put in YouTube downloader, and there are various downloaders you can use. You put in the YouTube link and you download these videos, and then you can, chop them up. So what I recommend you do is go into YouTube and put in your topics. So like top 10 Apex Legend plays, okay? And you make sure it's on Creative Commons, and you download a bunch of different videos, like 10, 20 different videos, and you chop them all up. You can't just download one video and re-upload it, because then that will trigger the copyright system on YouTube, even though you can legally use it. The YouTube copyright thing's quite sensitive, and it tracks the whole video, and if it's exactly the same, it will trigger it. But if you chop it up, guys, it's super easy to do. And you can see Apex Legends best, that's best settings, but we've got Apex Legends Battle of the Week, we've got Apex Legends funny moments, and you can actually download these videos. Now, another trick, guys, that a lot of people do is you can actually go to Twitch, and you can click on the game, and you can click on, say, a particular person, and go up to clips up here at the top and click on clips. This is how these guys are getting their clips. Sorry, guys, this is an ad pop up there. So what people do is they go and get these clips, and you click, and these clips are like best plays and best parts of the actual live stream. And you take these clips, guys, and you go and put it into a clip downloader from Twitch as well. So that is a second way that you can actually go and get these clips. And that is pretty much what all of these people are doing right now. Right now, I don't know much about the Creative Commons thing with Twitch and stuff like that, but that is how these guys are getting their videos. So we've gone over how to, what to do and stuff like that. Now, let me kind of show you how much money you can make and all that sort of stuff. Now, here's a couple of, here's a channel here, Edit for Your Pleasure. And these guys, 12,000 subscribers, and you'll see that their Apex Legend videos are doing the best. Apex Legends funny and epic moments, 250,000 views in 5 days. Guys, if you can get the channel to pick up quickly, which is usually what happens, look at this one, 500,000 in 1 week. it just trends and trends and trends. And once you get into that trend and you build out that huge subscriber base, you're good to go. You can make good money. You can definitely make $100 per day with this method. I would say these guys are probably doing that right now. So if we actually go to what we call Social Blade, guys, this one here is Apex Legends Moments. And you'll see that estimated revenue is around about $100 to $1,000 per month, but this will be going up as the channel grows. So, making around about $60 per day. Now it's up to $289 per day, and the subscriber base is growing. However, guys, it really depends on the niche. So like for my channel, I get quite a lot compared to what Social Blade says. So I would go to Social Blade, guys, and I would say that it's very inaccurate. I would say that these gaming channels are getting at least 2 times what Social Blade is telling you. It could be a little bit less, but in my opinion, from my channel and other channels that I've seen in other niches and friends that I have, it's usually mine's about 5 times, but it's usually about 2 times more than what Social Blade is saying. So these guys are definitely making good money off these small channels. This one is the Apex Plays, only 10,000 subscribers. We have this one, guys, called Prestige Clips, and on their Social Blade, they are making a stupid amount of money, and they have never uploaded their own content. They are re-uploading other people's content and making money from that, from Creative Commons, and they're basically just sharing top plays, best clips, and stuff like that, and they are making a silly amount of money. It's ridiculous. They make stupid amounts of money. They are super rich, and it is because they jump on trends. So I would recommend maybe doing a general channel like these guys, Prestige Clips, and then you can do Apex, you can do Fortnite, and then you can jump on other gaming trends once they come out, because no doubt in the future there will be other games that come out and you can go and jump on those as well. All right, guys? Now, to kind of have a look, guys, if we go into top 10, let's just go top 10 in general and go to Creative Commons, and you'll see the views are ridiculous, right? This train one has 39 million views. This one has 2.5 million views. This one has 2.9 million views. This one has 24 million views. Top 10 creative ideas. Guys, there's top 10s in every single niche. If you're good at DIY, top 10 DIY tricks. You can even do your own videos if you want, but I would recommend obviously downloading them, because then it's a lot less work. Now, it usually takes around about 2 hours a day to do this, guys. And you might be thinking, well, how do I create thumbnails? How do I do all that sort of stuff? That's simple, guys. You can use a website called canva.com, and they have free thumbnails you can use. Okay, and you can go and create these. Take you 5 or 10 minutes to do this. It's really, really simple. Now, how do you get the views? This is another question that I get, in actually my affiliate course. How do you get views on YouTube? Well, it's simple, guys. When you do your top 10, so let's do top 10 Apex, right? When you do your top 10, you want to go and we'll do Creative Commons again. You basically want to go and find these videos. Let's just have a look here. So you want to find these videos, guys, and download an extension called vidIQ or YouTube Buddy, and you'll see kind of the tags they use. And these are kind of garbage tags in my opinion. So Apex Legends gameplay, Apex Legends best hero. What I would be doing, guys, is using long tail tags. Okay, so step number 1 is actually to do a better video than them, better thumbnail, then do a better title, then do a better description. Okay, and you'll see, guys, actually down here it says Creative Commons attribution license, so reuse allowed. And if you go, YouTube actually has a full page where you can actually see what this is all about and the licensing and stuff like that. So anyway, guys, do a better title, better description, and do better tags. So instead of Apex Plays, do Best Apex Plays Online, Best Apex Plays 2019, Best Funniest Moments Apex Legends 2019. If you do longer tail keywords, guys, you will rank in those keywords because there's not a lot of competition, and it will be a good boost to your channel to get you started. Then all you need is 1 or 2 of your videos to take off, and then you'll start getting traffic and start getting subscribers. And that's why you should jump in on a trend, because it's a lot easier to get that viewership, to get those subscribers in a quick amount of time and start making money with this method. So that's it, guys. That's how easy it is. You are going to be doing top 10 competitions compilations and mixing those videos up and uploading them to your channel via Creative Commons videos. And you can go and download clips from Twitch and use those as well to go out and put together videos as well. Now, I do recommend, and you should be doing this, is to link to every single, if you go and download Twitch stuff, guys, link to their Twitch in your description or their YouTube channels. It's only common courtesy to link to these people. Now, usually when it comes to Creative Commons, if the video isn't Creative Commons and you download it and from Twitch, for example, and you link to the people's profiles, it's usually fine, right? They don't mind as long as you're going out there and giving them credit for their work, then it's all good to go. All right, guys, so that, my friends, is how you can go out and make at least $100 per day online with YouTube without using your own videos. All right, guys, it's super simple to do, and there is money to be made. This is just ridiculous money right here. And this channel has 12,000 subscribers, 10,000 subscribers, sorry. And it's already making up to $100 per day. I would imagine probably even over $200 per day. All right, guys. So make sure you drop a like, guys. Subscribe to this channel. Tap that notification bell for more videos. If you have any questions, let me know below. Let me know what you're up to. Let me know what you're doing online. And I'll try my best to reply to you personally, reply to every single person personally, and help you out and give you some advice on how to make money online today. And that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next video.